morning, Sunny. Today I'm planning to make my husband a very special dinner when he comes home from work. So I need to buy some ingredients and I'm gonna bring you along with us. When I say us, me and my little man. Sunny, say hi.
Say hi. Hi, Emma.
Let's go.
Almost done.
Almost done? We just started our day, son. Let's see. These don't look that good. I don't typically buy them from here. Here, son. Thank you. The first thing I'm gonna make is the chimichurri sauce. So I searched high and low for different recipes that I can reference from because I've never made it before. And there were two that I thought would be good if I kind of intertwined it. So these are the ingredients that you need for it. A couple cloves of garlic, a shallot, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, flat leaf parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. According to Gordon Ramsay, he said that the key to making a really good chimichurri sauce is to only add 1 clove of garlic. My garlic cloves were on the smaller side, so I decided to add 2. An ingredient I wish that I added was cilantro. I think I will definitely try that for the next time. As far as measurements go, I just eyeballed it and tasted as I went, just like any other sauce, which is very customizable. Storing it in an airtight sealed container like a mason jar is great because you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna work on making my garlic butter mashed potatoes. Use Yukon Gold if you like them creamy. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm gonna start on dessert. I will be making my mom's pineapple upside down cake. On the bottom of the pan is 1 stick of melted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 20-ounce can of drained chopped pineapples. Topping it off with yellow cake mix and instant vanilla pudding with an extra egg. I forgot to film the mixture that I put into the mashed potatoes, but all it is garlic, butter, and a little bit of milk. After letting it cool for about 5 minutes is the scary part of flipping it over. It's normal for some of the pineapple mixture to be stuck on the bottom of the pan. Don't let that go to waste. Trust me. On tonight's dinner menu, we have ribeye steak topped with chimichurri sauce, which will be lying on a bed of garlic butter mashed potatoes with a side of some king crab legs.
I want to small because I only have it in my teeth.